Kaunti nendo ma Kisumu ochiwo lowo mar gero kar thieth mar nendo mar Kansa. Gedo mar kar thieth nendo mar Kansa ibiro misir kod dongruoge ma e bombe go mag pinje mag Afrika kata Africa Smart Cities and Town Alliances. Kotwak e kinde ma bende ne ichiwo lobno endo gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu Ngire Peter Nyang'nyong'o okoni kar thieth nendo mar Kansa biro bedo kar konyruok maduong' ahinya to ne oganda go koma bende koro wuok e alwora mar Nyanza ma bende koro nigi tuo nendo mar Kansa.
One of the enduring pillars of my vision for Kisumu has always been the establishment of a comprehensive world-class cancer care system for our people. I'm therefore deeply gratified that this vision is steadily taking shape before our very eyes. So what I've been saying here this morning is very important, ladies and gentlemen. Don't think yourself that you are okay. Let the professionals tell you you are okay. Don't go to church every Sunday and pray to God, God keep me fine. Let doctors also help God. Because God can do everything. That annual test, medical test, is very important. So I would urge everybody to not wait until it is too late. For far too long, cancer has cast a long and painful shadow across our communities. Families have been torn apart, livelihood disrupted, and hope diminished. Today, however, we stand united in declaring that this narrative must and will change. Last year, we entered into a landmark partnership with Peter Chung to establish the Chung Nyong Nyongo Cancer Center in memory of his sister, a deeply moving testament to compassion and shared humanity. I'm equally pleased to note that the groundwork laid earlier for the JTRH Cancer Center through the efforts of the county government and partnerships initiated by the Africa Cancer Foundation is now bearing fruit. The project is firmly back on course and is expected to be completed soon. And I'm pleased to announce that the Kisumu County government, in partnership with our Korean counterparts, will soon initiate a pilot program on blast-based early cancer detection.